Ever wondered how to create a faceless bedtime stories channel using only artificial intelligence? Today, we unravel the mystery. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized content creation, automating complex tasks and streamlining processes. Imagine a YouTube channel that runs itself, creating and uploading content without human intervention. This is the power and potential of AI in content creation, transforming the way we tell stories and entertain audiences. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of AI-driven content creation. First, it's essential to understand what a faceless YouTube channel entails. In simplest terms, a faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator's identity remains hidden. You might wonder, why go faceless? Well, there are several compelling reasons. For starters, maintaining anonymity allows creators to separate their personal life from their online persona. You can be a popular YouTuber without the world knowing who you are. This can be a significant advantage for those who value their privacy. Secondly, a faceless channel offers great flexibility. You're not tied to a specific location or time for recording, and you can comfortably create content from anywhere, at any time. Lastly, faceless channels can save you a lot on production costs. No need for expensive cameras, lighting, or even a studio. All you need is your creativity and a device to record your voice or generate text-to-speech. Now that we've unpacked the concept of a faceless YouTube channel, let's explore how to set one up. Setting up a YouTube channel is as easy as pie. Here's how. First, you'll need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. It's simple, just head to the Google homepage, click on the Sign In button, then Create Account. Once you have your Google account, you can create your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, click on your channel under the profile icon, and voila, you're almost there. The next step is to customize your channel. Add a catchy channel name, an engaging description, and a relevant profile picture. These elements will help your channel stand out and attract viewers. Now let's optimize your channel for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your channel description to improve your channel's visibility. Also, linking your YouTube channel to your social media accounts can increase your reach and draw in more viewers. With your YouTube channel set up, it's time to bring in the magic of AI. The voice of your channel is crucial, and with AI, you have a plethora of options. In the world of AI, there's a veritable smorgasbord of voice options to choose from. These voices range from the deeply resonant, perfect for those spine-tingling horror stories, to bright and cheery tones more suited to lighter, whimsical tales. You can even opt for a voice with an accent, adding an extra layer of authenticity to stories set in specific locales. Now, selecting the right voice for your channel isn't a decision to be taken lightly. It's the voice that will become the signature sound of your bedtime stories, the constant thread weaving through each narrative. You want to choose a voice that matches the tone of your content and resonates with your target listener. And here's the exciting part. Once you've chosen your AI voice, you can further customize it to perfectly suit your channel's needs. You can adjust the speed, the pitch, and even the emotion conveyed in the voice. This is where you can truly make the voice your own, shaping it into the perfect storyteller for your unique tales. So, take your time, explore the options, listen to the different voices, tweak the settings, and find that voice that, when you hear it, you'll think, yes, this is the voice of my channel. With the perfect AI voice selected, automation is the next step. Automation is where AI shines brightest. Here's how to automate your YouTube channel. Imagine this. You've selected your AI voice, set up your channel, and you're ready to start creating content. But how can you streamline the process to save time and effort? That's where automation steps in. Firstly, let's talk scripting. You can use AI tools to generate scripts for your bedtime stories. There are several AI writing tools out there that can help you create engaging, coherent, and captivating stories, all with a few keywords. You provide the AI with a basic outline or theme, and it generates a full-fledged story script for you. Next comes narration. We've already discussed selecting your AI voice, but now it's time to put it to work. With text-to-speech technology, you can convert your scripts into lifelike speech in minutes. Simply input your script, choose your preferred voice, and let the AI do the talking. Now let's touch on editing. While you might envision hours spent trimming, cutting, and rearranging clips, AI can simplify this process too. AI-powered video editing software can automatically cut and arrange your clips, add background music, and even create transitions. You just need to upload your audio narration and any additional visual elements you want to include. Finally, we arrive at scheduling uploads. Consistency is key on YouTube, and scheduling your uploads can help maintain a regular posting schedule. Most platforms, including YouTube, allow you to schedule your videos for a future date and time. That way, you can batch your content creation and let the platform handle the rest. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only created a faceless YouTube channel, but you've also automated the process from start to finish. You've harnessed the power of AI to create captivating bedtime stories without needing to be physically present or even use your own voice. With automation, your faceless Bedtime Stories channel is now ready to roll. Let's quickly recap the exciting journey we've just embarked on. We started by exploring the incredible power of AI in content creation, a tool that's truly revolutionizing the digital world. We then unpacked the concept of a faceless YouTube channel, a trend that's gaining momentum in the world of online storytelling. We also went through the nuts and bolts of setting up a YouTube channel, a process that's easier than you might think. From choosing the right name to optimizing your channel for search, we covered it all. Then, we delved into the world of AI voices, understanding the importance of selecting the right tone and accent that aligns with your content. Lastly, we highlighted the magic of automation. By harnessing the power of AI, you can automate the entire process, from script creation to video production. This truly makes running a YouTube channel more efficient and manageable. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a faceless Bedtime Stories YouTube channel using AI. Now it's your turn to create magic with AI.